Hey, good morning. Today we are gonna be unpacking, not we, I am gonna be unpacking a raw honey from Nasipit. It just took me like 2 days before it arrives into my house. And this is my first time trying a raw honey. Raw honey means there's no additives, preservatives, or any filtering ingredients, should I say, if you will allow. And I think it's hard to open with just bare hands. I think I'm gonna use with some scissors. Wait, because I know using scissors when you are vlogging is prohibited. I don't have any cutter. And it cost me 929. It actually is 800 something, including its shipping fee. I was so happy that I immediately needed a raw honey, and it's just located nearby. The store is just near. Daghan may baligi ang mga raw honey, pero this brand has some reputation. It's actually famous. Ay, Mamera Floor, if you're watching. Naku, aman eh. Oops. Yan. Mahal kasi ang laki. Ang laki-laki. I forgot how many is this one. I'm drenched with sweat na. Oh, I love the packaging. It looks premium. There you have it. It's 500 ml. It's half of 1 liter. That's why it would took me a while to finish it. If I will be the one to consume only and not all the people here are going to eat this, it would took me a while, like almost a month. Yeah, if you want to order a raw honey, it's Amamio Farm Products from Nasipit, Agusan del Norte. Support local products. It smells good. Let's taste it. Let's try it. You can really tell that it's a legit and raw honey because of its viscosity. It's very viscous, not like other honey in the market where they mix it with water and sugar. Bye.